Right, so looks like we've pulled out a rifle. Nathan's going to give it a bit of a wash, but get a bit of a habit to this.
He's fucking cool, isn't he?
Was there any?
Got markings.
Yeah.
No.
It's obviously not going to fire, but
No? Stone wedged in there, looks like. Oh, it's the safety, isn't it?
no, I think that you're right with the stone.
That's a muscle there. Is it? It's proper in there. Oh, I don't want to break it.
Yeah. Right.
That's cool, isn't it? Now where are you going to put that?
Well.
That's been in there a long time, boys.
Yeah.
I better not point it towards anyone.
Yeah. Yeah. Don't put it towards anyone. Right. Cool. Guess it's almost like a routine now. What shall we do? Let's phone the police.
It's proper. What's that? World War II?
Well, I don't know. I don't think it will be.
World War II. It's small.
Oh well. Let's find out.